Hey traders, Rod with VPT. This is the room recap update, the Trade Journal video screencast. Today's Tuesday, November 11th, 2014. So this is going to be real quick today. It was a pretty slow day because of the Veterans Day holiday, so not a lot of trades. Essentially in the room, which was we shut down a little bit early, really quiet. So didn't take many trades at all. Just had this one trade on Qualcomm where we got out of a little bit of it. Been trading around that Qualcomm position on the 70 calls, and then a few small scalpers in the YM and one trade in the NQ on the futures side after we closed the room down there on the Brickwick. So not a lot notable. For tomorrow, I probably expect some tight ranges as well. Not a lot on the earnings or economic calendar. On the economic calendar, we have got we're looking at wholesale inventories and the MBA mortgage index, so those are not typically market movers. On the earnings calendar, two not very significant in the bigger picture, but that are going to be important to us since in the portfolio own both CyberArk Software is reporting after the bell tomorrow, as well as X1. I don't expect a lot of fireworks on X1, maybe. Cyber though could really move. So we got our position on in that. Might look to sell some puts if it establishes some levels after earnings tomorrow, but that will be for the trade on Thursday. Other than that, I was taking a look here. Not a whole lot else going on the earnings front, either after the close or before the open. So no big market movers there. One thing that did happen. So this is Fossil. It was up pretty massively in their earnings. I think it was up like 10% or so. No real dog in that hunt. I don't think we'll be doing much with Fossil. People still like kind of crappy watches. Sorry if I offended anybody. Lower cost watches. Apple finally woke up a little bit near the close, so just hovering around for the last 4 or 5 sessions, right around that 109. Got a little bit of a bid, approached 110, didn't quite get to 110, and that helped the NASDAQ near the close. Other than that, like I said, a pretty slow day. Let me see if there's anything in my notes. We did not get in any volatility trades or VXX. BABA finally pulled back, sort of a sell the news after the singles day, which blew out all expectation. I think they got close to selling about $10 billion worth of stuff. But Yahoo still remains strong, printed 48 and then came almost all the way back to 49. So the 46 puts still not working out too well, but we'll be holding those through expiration. And I wrote in here Facebook and Apple pausing, although I just mentioned that Apple did sort of pop up. And then I was writing in here, I mean, here's the bull case for everything, folks. Seasonality, the Fed's there, valuations are okay, earnings, everything. So, you know, what's the bear case right now, barring any sort of geopolitical or something else? There'll be a pullback back to the moving averages, but it's right now the bear case, no claws in those bears. So which of those is more compelling? So we're just going to probably continue to march to the upside, and we have to have a upside bias accordingly. So look at the SPY. Man, I mean, again, above the swing level of 201.90, but continuing to move on. So hopefully we'll get a little bit more action tomorrow. We'll leave it there for now. This is Rod with VPT reminding you to always trade like you mean it. Have a great evening. Thanks.